Welcome back to AVP Auto. Today, we're diving into one of the most exciting and unexpected releases of the year, the all-new 2025 Dacia Sandman SUV. If you're someone who loves affordable adventure, rugged styling, and practical features without breaking the bank, then stick around because this might just be the sleeper SUV of 2025. Right out of the gate, Dacia has made a bold move with the Sandman. Known for their budget-friendly approach, Dacia has taken things up a notch with this SUV, blending affordability with a surprising amount of style, comfort, and off-road potential. It's not your typical soft-roader. The Sandman means business, and you can tell that the moment you lay eyes on it. Let's talk exterior. The 2025 Sandman has a bold and squared-off design language. Think chunky fenders, aggressive plastic cladding, raised ride height, and a front fascia that demands attention. Dacia's new logo sits proudly in the center of a wide grille, flanked by striking LED daytime running lights. The headlights have a modern, angular shape, and depending on the trim, you get either halogen or full LED lighting. Around back, the taillights are styled in a way that's both minimalistic and tough, perfectly matching the off-road ready theme. It comes standard with 16-inch steel wheels, but you can opt for 17-inch alloys if you're looking for a slightly more premium feel. Now stepping inside the Sandman, and you'll be surprised, really surprised, by what Dacia has managed to deliver here. While the cabin is still unmistakably functional and utilitarian, it's not cheap or barebones. The dashboard has clean lines, a floating infotainment screen, and tactile physical controls for climate and media, which is something many of us actually prefer, especially when driving off-road or wearing gloves. The seating is firm but comfortable, with hard-wearing cloth upholstery that's designed to handle mud, sand, kids, dogs, you name it. The boot space is impressive for a compact SUV, easily fitting all your camping gear, folding tables, and maybe even a small inflatable kayak. Fold down the rear seats, and you've got a flat loading bay that rivals some mid-size crossovers. Tech-wise, the Sandman offers exactly what you need. It's not overstuffed with features you'll never use. Instead, you get a simple and clean user experience. The 8-inch touchscreen supports Apple CarPlay and Android Auto, Bluetooth connectivity, and DAB radio. There's a USB port up front and another one for the rear passengers, a nice touch for a budget SUV. Depending on your trim level, you can also get rear parking sensors, a reversing camera, and basic lane departure warning. No, it won't drive itself, but it does give you enough tech to stay safe and connected on the road. Under the hood, Dacia offers a few options. The base model comes with a 1.0-liter turbocharged 3-cylinder engine, pushing out around 90 horsepower. It's not going to win any races, but it's fuel efficient and more than enough for daily driving. Step up to the 1.3-liter turbo 4-cylinder, and you're looking at 130 horsepower. This one feels a lot punchier and is a better option if you're planning to take the Sandman on longer journeys or fully loaded camping trips. There's even a mild hybrid variant in the pipeline, which adds electric assistance for better efficiency in city driving. All versions come with front-wheel drive as standard, but for the true adventurers out there, the Sandman is also available with an all-wheel drive setup, and that's where things really get interesting. With AWD, a proper ground clearance of over 200 mm, hill descent control, and a lockable center differential, the Sandman doesn't just look like an SUV, it behaves like one too. It's not a hardcore rock crawler, but it'll easily tackle gravel trails, muddy tracks, and snowy backroads. For weekend getaways to the forest, mountains, or beach, this SUV can definitely keep up. And the best part, you're doing it in a vehicle that costs a fraction of most modern off-roaders. Fuel economy is another big win. The smaller engine delivers up to 47 miles per gallon UK rating, while the 1.3-liter averages around 42. That means fewer stops at the pump and more miles exploring. Plus, Dacia's reputation for low running costs means this SUV won't eat into your camping budget with expensive servicing or fancy components that break easily. Now let's talk price. This is where the Sandman absolutely destroys the competition. Starting at just under £18,000 in the UK market, and expected to be priced around $23,000 if or when it reaches the US, this SUV undercuts virtually every competitor while offering real SUV capabilities. Even fully loaded, with AWD and top trim features, it stays under £24,000. That's insane value in today's market. So, who is the 2025 Dacia Sandman for? If you're a weekend warrior, a camping enthusiast, or just someone who wants a dependable SUV without the premium badge price tag, this is your ride. It's rugged, it's reliable, and it's ready for action. No, it's not luxurious, but it doesn't try to be. It knows what it is, a solid, affordable adventure machine. Here at Camping World, we love vehicles that make outdoor living more accessible. The Dacia Sandman fits that mission perfectly. Whether you're setting up a rooftop tent, hauling a trailer, or just packing in a load of firewood for a night under the stars, this SUV has your back. And for our viewers who are into DIY camper conversions, this vehicle could be an incredible blank canvas. With a flat cargo area and fold-flat seats, you could easily turn the Sandman into a micro camper without much effort. Another huge plus, Dacia's growing network of service centers and a solid reliability track record. Owners report simple maintenance, parts that are cheap and easy to find, and no unnecessary complications under the hood. It's designed to last, not just to impress in a showroom. To sum it up, the 2025 Dacia Sandman isn't about flashy gimmicks or over-the-top features. It's about delivering honest value, real-world usability, and go-anywhere capability for the everyday adventurer. In a world of overpriced, tech-heavy SUVs, this one dares to be different. And sometimes, different is exactly what you need. Thanks for watching today's review. If you enjoyed this breakdown, don't forget to like, subscribe, and hit that bell so you never miss a new upload. We've got tons more SUV reviews, camping gear tests, and off-road adventures coming your way. Until next time, stay wild, stay ready, and keep exploring, only here on AVP Auto.